Today we're looking at the top 3 best drones for aerial photography. I've done the research and found a set of must-have options for different needs. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or everyday use, I've got you covered. Links are below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget, large screen, remote drones with camera. What if your drone wasn't just a drone, but also worked like a full tablet you could use anywhere? Sounds a bit wild, right? Well, that's exactly what this brand new 2026 model brings to the table. And honestly, it feels like something straight out of the future. Let's start with the controller, because that's where things get really interesting. This upgraded drone comes with a touch screen controller that runs on an Android system. Yep, just like a regular tablet. You can connect it to Wi-Fi, open the Google Play Store, and download your favorite apps. Want to scroll social media, watch movies, or even play mobile games? You can do all of that right on the controller. It's not just for flying anymore. It's like carrying a mini entertainment device in your hands. Now here's where the fun really kicks in. This drone includes a payload release feature, which means you can actually drop small items from the air. Add to that the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system, and you've got something that's both exciting and safe to fly. It can detect obstacles around it and avoid them, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. When it comes to camera quality, this drone doesn't mess around. It features a real 4K HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake technology. In simple words, your videos stay smooth and steady even when the drone is moving. With a 130-degree wide-angle lens, a larger sensor, and up to 50 times digital zoom, you can capture stunning photos and videos, whether it's day or night. Plus, it even comes with an SD card so you're ready to record right away. Battery life? That's another strong point. You get 2 powerful 11.1 volt batteries, giving you up to 84 minutes of total flight time in ideal conditions. That's about 42 minutes per battery, which is honestly impressive for a drone in this range. It gives you plenty of time to explore, record, and enjoy long-distance flights without constantly worrying about recharging. Speaking of distance, this drone offers a control range of up to 5 miles and can reach heights of around 2,624 feet. The signal depends on GPS and your surroundings, but as long as you're in a good open area, you'll enjoy smooth and stable transmission without annoying delays. On top of all that, it's packed with smart features like GPS follow mode, waypoint flying, time-lapse shooting, night vision mode, and even gesture controls for taking photos or videos. Hit subscribe like you're launching your drone for that perfect golden hour shot. Number 2. Best overall. DJI Avata 2Fly FPV drones with camera. Ever wondered what it actually feels like to sit inside a drone and fly through the air at full speed? Not just watching from your phone, but really feeling it, like you're right there in the cockpit? Well, that's exactly the kind of experience this setup brings to the table. And honestly, it's pretty wild. From the moment you put on the goggles, everything changes. You're no longer just controlling a drone from the ground. Instead, you get instant visual feedback right in front of your eyes, as if you're flying through the sky yourself. The view is breathtaking, the movement feels real, and there's this rush of adrenaline that kicks in almost immediately. It's all about freedom, thrill, and that immersive feeling that's hard to explain until you try it. Now here's the interesting part. Controlling it doesn't feel complicated at all. Instead of dealing with confusing buttons or tricky controls, you simply use natural hand movements. It's smooth, intuitive, and surprisingly easy to learn. Even if you've never flown a drone before, you can get the hang of it quickly and start enjoying the experience without stress. And if you're thinking tricks and stunts are only for experts, think again. This drone makes it incredibly simple to perform flips, rolls, and even 180-degree drifts. You don't need weeks of practice. Within a short time, you can fly like a pro and pull off moves that look seriously impressive. When it comes to video quality, it doesn't disappoint either. with a super wide field of view, around 155 degrees, you get a much bigger and more dramatic perspective. The 4K video at 60 frames per second looks sharp and smooth, while the advanced image sensor helps capture stunning low-altitude shots with amazing detail. Safety is also clearly a priority here. The built-in propeller guards make the drone more durable and strong so you can fly with more confidence. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or trying new moves, it gives you that extra peace of mind. Another great thing is how easy it is to create content. The drone is lightweight and portable, so you can carry it around without any hassle. By the way, which of these drones would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, anti-gravity drone with camera. All right, imagine this for a second. You put on a pair of goggles and boom, you're not just flying a drone, you're inside the sky. That's exactly what the A1 brings to the table. With its full 360 immersive flight, you're no longer stuck staring straight ahead like with traditional drones. Instead, you can look around freely, like you're actually up there. Thanks to advanced pancake optics and dual 1-inch micro OLED displays, the visuals feel smooth, sharp, and honestly, pretty mind-blowing. Now here's where it gets even better. This drone records a stunning 8K, but not just in one direction. It captures everything around you in full 360 degrees. So instead of worrying about getting the perfect angle while flying, you just hit record once and explore every single perspective later. Missed a moment? No problem. You can go back, rewind, and frame it exactly how you want. It's like giving yourself a second chance at every shot. And get this, it only weighs 249 grams. Yep, that's it. Super light, easy to carry, and it meets regulations in most places, so you don't have to stress about complicated rules. It's basically power without the bulk, which makes it perfect for travel or quick outdoor adventures. Flying, it feels natural too. You got 2 simple control modes. In free motion mode, you just point and go. It's that easy. Switch to FPV mode, and even a slight turn of your wrist gives you smooth, precise control. No steep learning curve here. It's designed so almost anyone can pick it up and start flying with confidence. One of the coolest things, you don't have to stress about framing your shot midair anymore. The drone captures everything in one go, so you can focus on flying first and worry about editing later. And speaking of editing, the built-in AI makes life so much easier. With just one tap, it turns your footage into a polished, share-ready video with smart highlights and cinematic movement. Safety hasn't been ignored either. With smart obstacle avoidance and forward sensors, plus dual fisheye lenses giving full awareness, the drone stays alert while you enjoy the flight. It's smooth, smart, and always watching out for trouble. Want to share the fun? The SkyPath feature lets you create a custom flight route, then hand over the goggles so someone else can experience it too, without even touching the controls. And with Deep Track, you can lock onto a subject and let the drone follow automatically, while still having the freedom to adjust framing later. Oh, and for those cinematic vibes, SkyGenie gives you 8 advanced aerial moves like arc shots, spiral ascents, and oval orbits, all in a single tap. Easy, effortless, and seriously impressive. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.